Uh-oh, can you sneeze again?
Can you do it? I think that was a big sneeze. Yes, it was. Have you got enough? Oh, I think you're going to sneeze again. Are you going to sneeze again? Do you have a bad cough? Oh, that's a terrible cough.
What a
We're going to have to see
horrible
the doctor
cough.
on that one. Oh, that's a horrible cough.
Do you have another sneeze coming on? That's a cough. Do you gotta sneeze? Oh my gosh, you're just so sick.
Oh, that's just a terrible cough. Yes, it is. That's just a terrible cough. I sure hope you don't have to sneeze again. Oh, I'm glad you caught that. Yes, I'm glad you caught that sneeze. Oh, you saved germs from going all over. So, do you have to sneeze again? Oh, that's very good. You covered your nose when you sneezed. That's a good idea.